Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's Welsh word is bwyd, which means food. Bwyd, as in bwyd I fynd, food to go. Bwyd, food.